Let me tell you two important things about paracetamol today. If your child is running fever, has a mild cough and cold, your child isn't eating, do you wait for your child to eat before giving paracetamol? You know what? That's like waiting for the rains to stop before opening an umbrella. When a child has fever, he would also have headache, body ache, and he would be in some kind of discomfort. Naturally, their appetite reduces. And then the parents wait. Let him eat first and then we'll give the paracetamol. Instead, what you should do is give paracetamol first. It's not just safe to give paracetamol on an empty stomach, but it is most of the times essential. Once the effect of paracetamol kicks in, the discomfort and the irritability of the child reduces, and the appetite may also return. So, giving paracetamol to your child on an empty stomach is absolutely safe. The other thing that I wanted to tell you is that before visiting the doctor for your child who has fever, do you give paracetamol or no? Ideally, you should have given paracetamol to your child before visiting the doctor. Why so? Doesn't the doctor need to see what the fever is like? So think of it this way. You don't take your car to the mechanic when the engine is hot and smoking. Only when the engine cools down, your car mechanic would be able to look inside and assess the damage properly. Similarly, giving paracetamol to a child who has fever before visiting the doctor reduces the discomfort of the child, the crankiness of the child. The child becomes more calm and settled. And for the doctor, it is easier to examine a child who is calm and settled. More than looking at the degree of fever that the child has, it is more important for your doctor to examine a child because then a proper diagnosis is made easily. The doctor will trust you on the degree of fever that the child had if you have taken the temperature. So just remember two things. You can give paracetamol on an empty stomach to your child, and before visiting the doctor, if your child has fever, please give paracetamol.